rehearsing my speech and suddenly called me. um, uh, this is a very, very special day. Iniki ரொம்ப special day. I have waited for this day for almost 2 years, and it's happening. It still feels like a dream to be standing here in front of our Namma Vetri sir and all the cast and crew. I am extremely happy for all of us that all the hard work, all the sleepless nights, all the efforts that we have put into this film, it's finally happening. In few days you'll all get to see the film. So it's truly, truly special. Um, I was waiting for the guests to arrive, but I think they're going to come in sometime. I'm looking forward to meet Nama Sethupathi sir. Big fan of him. I wanted to thank Vetri sir for supporting the film and being the guiding force throughout this journey. Thank you so much, sir. I have been your fan. I have been biggest fan of your work, and it's truly, truly special to be associated with you. I am a even more bigger fan of yours for the kind of person that you are. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. And I want to thank, sorry, I forgot to mention, media, press, everyone for coming, taking out time and giving your good energy to us. Without your support, we are nothing. And if you support us like this, artists like me, we feel encouraged to tell more stories, more good stories. So thank you so much. I want to thank my director, Vicky. Where is Vicky? Vicky. Thank you so much for believing in me with Rati. It's a very, very special role for me, and I am so fortunate that I got to play Rati. I got to live her through your vision. It's truly, truly special for me, and I wish all the luck to you, all your hard work and efforts that you've put into this film. It should all be worth it, and you go places and you make more wonderful films ahead. And my co-star Kavin, you've been great co-actor. You've been very dedicated, very focused on set, and it really, really helped me perform better. And thank you so much for being the sweetest co-star. Andrea and me worked on one Telugu film. Modala Telugu screen la, ipo Tamil screen la. So it's very, very exciting that we are sharing this screen space again. We couldn't be together in any scene in this film, but I'm very happy that I'm part of your production, and many congratulations. I hope you produce more great films ahead, and wish you all the success. And our man of the day, Chukkalingam sir, where are you? I can't see him. Is he here? No. So I want to thank you, sir, for all the burden that you have taken on your shoulder and carried this film this far. I just wish all the luck to you, all the success to you. I hope you continue to make great cinema, and you continue to create some really solid content for all the creators. G.V. Prakash sir, thank you. Thank you for giving me my first ever dance number. This is the first time in my 7 years of career I'm dancing on screen, and it's only because of you. Thank you. Enoda full beautiful jolly songs for giving me. I was thinking that I'll speak few lines in Tamil, but it was so sudden I'm forgetting everything.
Sorry madam, next time na first email amchita appo ungala koopudren madam.
Don't call me first one to
promise
speak.
Next event,
next time give me little time.
I'll give you, I
to
promise
rehearse
you.
again. And our DOP sir, RD sir, thank you so much for giving us fantastic visuals, and you are the sweetest person on set. You have uplifted me. You have said some really great things which encouraged me to do better, and thank you for all of us to look amazing, and especially for making me look beautiful. I felt beautiful. I hope I'm not forgetting anyone. To the entire cast and crew, Azhar Master, thank you for choreographing my first ever dance number. You and your team, thank you so much. I hope I didn't trouble you. I tried to match up to your expectations, and I hope I did well. Thank you, sir. To cast and crew, big shout out. I really hope all the hard work, all the love that we have poured into this project, it is received and perceived well with the audience. They love us, they accept us, and yeah, thank you so much. Romma Nandri. I really hope I'm not forgetting anyone's name, but if at all by mistake, please know that you all are in my heart, and thank you. 21st cinema theatre, 21st November theatre la paakanam. Thank you. Romma Nandri. Thank you so much.
Thank you. ஒரு 4 வரிகள்.
Will you help me, please?
Certainly, you don't know what an amazing singer I am. Please. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Yes.
So I'll sing Kannamuli. Sorry, GV sir, I'll just try. Okay.
Next sir, adu.
Kannamuli kaka mulla purvarandu kuruvanella ஏராந்தா போலா என் ராத்திரி வேளா என் சொப்பனு வாரே என் வந்து வலிச்சோ தாரே தல
அதான் மேடம்
தலக்கா. No, I want to sing more.
You want to sing more? ஆனா உங்க மனதைரியத்துக்காகவே நல்லா கை தட்டுங்க. Come on guys. இதே பாட்டுக்கு அவங்க டான்ஸ் ஆட போறாங்க.
My favorite line, தலகாலே புரியலையே உன் பாசே தெரியலையே.
சத்தியமா மேடம், தலைக்கால புரியல, உன் பாஷை எங்க யாருக்கும் தெரியல. சத்தியமா அப்படிதான் இருந்துச்சு. ஒரு பெரிய கைதல் அவங்களுக்காக, அந்த எஃபர்ட்டுக்காகவே ஒரு சூப்பரான கைதல் கொடுத்துடலாம். பேபிமா வேற மாதிரிமா நீங்க. இப்போ எங்களுக்காக ஒரு ஃபேவர், இதே பாட்டு நாங்க பாடிக்கிறோம். ஜிவி சார் ஆடி அந்த ரெக்கார்ட்லாம் பண்ணிருக்காரு நமக்காக, அதை நாங்க போடுறோம், நீங்க எங்களுக்காக ஆடுங்க.
ஓகே
ஓகேங்களா?
ஓகே. Call sir also on the stage, he'll sing and I'll dance.
Song will dance.
Song will dance?
Yes.
Okay.
You want me to call Kavin? I'll call Kavin.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Little. Nana கேட்டு இந்த பாப்பா தான்.
Andrea should dance. I think she is a very good performer.
ஏ வேலை இந்த புள்ள எவ்வளவு அழகா பாத்துச்சு பாத்தீங்களா?
Someone should do one step with me. Little. தெரியல. Kavin is such a good dancer.
Kavin is such a good dancer.
He dominated me. Now he's not accepting.
He's recalling what he should speak.
I'll teach you. Come.
You dance, no, honey. You finish.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. At least Azhar Master should come and.
Azhar Master, absolutely, guys. That is the moment of the day. Azhar Master, வாங்க சாங்கோட கோரியோகிராஃபர் நீங்க. அவங்க சொல்லிருக்காங்க நீங்க எதிர்பார்த்த அளவுக்கு நான் ஆடினா தெரியல அப்படின்ட்டு. இப்போ பண்ணிடலாம் சார். வாங்க. Let's hear it, guys, for Ajayras Azhar Master. Thanks. ஆதி வேலை இந்த ப்ராப்பரா முடிச்சிருச்சு. மாஸ்டருக்காகவே தனியா ஒரு கைதட்டல் கொடுத்துடலாமா everybody? சூப்பர். மாஸ்டர் கோத்து விட்ட அந்த நல்ல உள்ளத்துக்கு எங்கள் மனமார்ந்த நன்றிகள். Thank you so much. And no, where I just want to thank you, give you a very very warm welcome to the Tamil industry. May you have some fabulous films, may you have some great energy here, and only wishing you a lot of love. அவங்களுக்காக மீண்டும் ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய கைதட்டல். Ajayras Rohani Sharma. Thank you darling. Thank you very much.